coming up next.
So I'm going to explore.
FiestaEnglish.com.
Good morning, beautiful people. I'm in Mexico. Estoy en México. It's like 8 a.m. in the morning. I was sleeping and I woke up a little bit late. I wanted to wake up around 6 a.m., but it's okay. Today is my second day in Mexico. I was here yesterday. I came yesterday afternoon, but now today it's my first time waking up, experiencing a morning in Mexico. So I don't want to be lazy. I don't want to just sleep, but I actually want to get up and go and do something. Okay, so part number 1 of my plan. I have these. Do you know what these are? They come with these straps. These are gymnastic rings. Gymnastic rings. So what I want to do is I want to find a tree, throw my straps over the tree, loop it around the rings, and I can work out. I can have some exercise. So I'm going to walk to the park, and I'm walking to a very special park. It's called, okay, here we go. So it's in Santa Maria la Ribera. It's called Alameda y Kiosco Morisco. Do you know what that means? Alameda de Santa Maria la Ribera y Kiosco Morisco. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I don't know. But it's a park. It's really beautiful. It's really pretty. So I'm going to go. I'm going to see. I'm going to hang my rings and have a workout. And it's going to be good. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so now I'm here and I'm walking to the park. It's only a 12-minute walk, so it's easy. It's really easy. So I get to enjoy the beautiful day, go to the park, work out. It's going to be good. So far, I really love it here. The people are nice. I love the infrastructure, so you can just walk everywhere. I'm in a place called Santa Maria de Ribera, or algo así, something like this. But yeah, it's been nice so far. And the weather, I have to say, it's perfect. The weather is perfect. So it's gonna be a good day, a great start to the day. My second day in Mexico, and let's see what happens. So I'm gonna finish walking to the park now. Let's go. I love the colorful buildings. There's an orange building. There's a green building, a pink building. I love the colorful buildings. I'm having such a nice walk. 12 minutes and I get to go to a beautiful park. That's so easy. I get exercise, I get sunshine, so it's great. I'm almost there, 5 minutes away. Quiero un moto. Okay, we're here. Let's see. Bienvenidos a Kiosco Morisco. So, I'm going to explore, I'm going to see what's around, and then I'm gonna find a tree to hang my rings on. So I need to find a good tree, I need to find a good branch. Let's see. This is cool. See the dog? We have a dog park with lots of dogs running around. The dog park, it's really big. There's lots of dogs. This, I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. So, just a really big park, really nice park. It's a nice park, I like it. You can sit, you can read, you can pray, you can do whatever you want. It's really quiet and it's really peaceful. Okay, but now I'm gonna look for the tree branch. A ver. Look. There's a group of people exercising. That's nice. There's somebody sleeping on the bench. That's nice. I'm trying to find a good branch. I don't see one yet. I'm looking. Okay, so this has been really hard. I can't find the perfect branch, right? So there's the tree, and then the branches that come off the tree, I was going to hang my rings over. But the problem is all of the trees are curved, right? So they're not straight, they're curved. So I can't hang my rings on a flat surface. See, like, look. See this tree, or you see this tree, it's curved, it's not straight. Or you look at these trees, they're all curved. I think I see one branch that might work, so I'm going to try it. It's right there. Let's see if it works. Okay, so I did it. I found a branch that's going to work, okay? So I threw my strap over the branch and now I'm going to connect my rings. Okay, so that took a long time. It was very difficult. It was very challenging, but we did it. I climbed the tree, I hooked the rings around the branch, and now it's stable. So I can put all my weight on this tree branch. So now is the fun part. Now I get to get in some ring work. Still, it's a beautiful day here in Mexico, here in Santa Maria de la Ribera. I'm at this park. I forgot the name, but now we're about to get in some ring work, okay? So you can watch if you want to. So one thing that I noticed, one thing that I've seen, while I'm at the park and while other people are working out, nobody takes their shirt off. I don't know if it's just a culture thing, but usually I always take my shirt off when I work out. So I don't know if it'll be weird, but I think I'm gonna do it because there's sunshine. It feels so beautiful outside. Why not? Why not? So I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so I just finished my workout. I'm feeling strong, but also I'm hungry now. So I'm gonna go back to the house. I'm gonna cook something, I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna do some other work. But this was a great start to the morning. I explored a new park. I saw some people, saw a lot of dogs, and now I'm gonna walk back. So we're gonna have a nice walk back.
One eternity later.
Hello again, beautiful people. So actually, it's not even the same day anymore. It's days later. The day that I shot that video, the day that I recorded that video, it was my second day in Mexico, and now I've been here for 2 weeks. I was just tired that day. I had a lot of things to do, so I didn't even record. But actually, I've been recording a lot of videos. I have a lot of videos that I need to edit. So stay tuned. Some will go on YouTube and some will go on fiestaenglish.com. All the things I've been seeing, all my experiences, anything you want to know, go to fiestaenglish.com. And if you want to ask me anything, if you have any questions, then just write it in the comment. But thank you so much for watching this video. What we're doing here, right, is getting good, comprehensible input. Our English is improving by listening and watching and thinking. So let's just keep going. Good job. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, goodbye.